Mobile Computer Repair Service, Southwest Rocks, New South Wales. This trusted business offers a diverse and local client base, recurring revenue, and a stunning coastal location. iTronics is a mobile computer repair service that has been servicing the IT industry since 1998. Specialising in home and office networking solutions, there's great potential to grow the business. With the local population expanding, you could keep the business mobile or open a shop front. iTronics has an ongoing contract with Computergate, providing IT support for Nestlé Australia in Smithtown. The business also provides support for Maxville High School in the Year 10 Work Experience program. iTronics services 1,800 plus clients across 7 states, and all can be accessed remotely. With no other business offering full-time computer repairs in the area, iTronics is well marketed through Facebook and its website. Southwest Rocks is one of the fastest growing communities in the Macleay Valley, with 5 major housing estates currently being built. This fantastic seaside town is perfect for swimming, snorkeling, surfing, fishing, and so much more.